This video shows how to replace the filter on a PowerEdge XR4000r. Before removing the filter, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4000r service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the filter, first remove the grill by grasping it by the latches on both sides and then pulling. Free the filter from the grill by pulling it away from the tabs on the grill. To install the filter, align and place the filter on the grill, and slide the edge of the filter under the tabs on the grill. To install the grill, align it with a bezel and press until it locks into place. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.